Welcome back to Jaboli's Garage. We got Anthony with us as usual. Today's an exciting day because we got some parts in for the LBZ. Sadly, not on the frame or nothing that we can benefit right now. But if you guys like the content, please like, share, subscribe, and join along. We got 2 boxes from Wheel Pros. Let's check them out. Let's open it up. Wheels in 2 boxes is kind of crazy. Good boy.
I'm the goodest boy ever.
Let's open these up. Oh my god, it's a box in a box. I should have known. Definitely the smallest box I've ever gotten for wheels. I think these are definitely the smallest wheels I've ever even got too. And the cheapest. I didn't even do anything. Let's check these babies out. Dude, these things are so small. Oh, wrap it. Oh wow, this has a whole, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, chopper.
Damn, look at these things.
Things are spiffy.
Oh yeah, baby. These things look good. Now I'm only gonna take 2 out for now and try to mount them, see how hard it is to mount them. Perfect. They come in a pack of 2.
Oh yeah.
Let's get these 2 mounted on, and then we'll go to the next 2. Hopefully it goes pretty easy because there's no belts on it, so I figure the tire should be pretty soft. Like that.
Yep, big brain.
It slipped.
Now you did it.
All right, first one is always the worst. Now let's bust this next one out. So we're just gonna go straight to hand with these, huh?
Dude, trying to get the whole tire on or what, dude?
Well, yeah. Where did that come from?
What the hecky?
Let's put some air in these.
Oh yeah, it's filling.
It's gonna be a big pop. Maybe not. Well, we are not getting so lucky putting air in these, so we gotta blow them up with fire. There is way too much of a gap right there, as you guys can kind of see with all these. We just got lucky on that first one over there. Perfect.
Never in my life have I done this.
That worked pretty good.
Yeah, your fire won't go out.
It will go out. It's just all the grease. And press. Damn it. What the? I literally jinxed myself. Come on, bro. Watch out. Anthony.
It wasn't even gonna go up. I knew it was gonna work.
Oh, damn it. Oh, wait. It did work.
Yep. Oh, there we go.
Done. Woo, baby. That was a big one. Alright, that'll be it for this YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Figured that'd be a fun little video to do installing my brand new SLICKS. But till next time, peace out, guys.